Hey everyone, welcome to MatherPE. Today I'm going to show you how to upload videos and photos from your iPhone up to Google Drive. Let's go! So the other day somebody asked me, how do I upload my videos from my iPhone to my computer without attaching cables? And I thought most people would know this, but for some people you don't know until you actually learn how. So I'm going to show you how to upload from my phone to Google Drive, and the process is pretty much the same for Dropbox or OneDrive or any other cloud-based storage. So this is how you do it, and hopefully it'll help you out in transferring files that you need. So first we need a video or a photo that we're going to use. I'm going to take a picture here of some fresh strawberries that I hope to enjoy in a few minutes. We'll use that file to upload to Google Drive, and that way we can see how this is done. So I have Google Drive here opened up on my laptop, and we'll see the file when it shows up. You'll need to make sure you have the Google Drive app installed and that you're signed in currently and ready to go. It's a free download on the App Store. Then you want to scroll back to your files or your camera or your videos and then find whatever it is that you want to upload. In this case, I'm scrolling back and finding my picture of strawberries. In the bottom left, there's option to share. When I press that, it'll give me my options for texting or for social media, but I want Google Drive. I'll click on that and it will open up my account. I'll choose the one that works for me. When I do that, I'm going to select the folder, and then I'm going to choose my drive, and then in the bottom right, save here. Top right, upload. Progress bar will show up and it will track how it's going. Video files or multiple files will take longer to go, but they'll track individual progress. When it bounces you back to your camera screen, it means that your files are now uploaded. We can scroll over to Google Drive and roll through the files, and hopefully we will be able to see our new file that's been uploaded. In this case, I'm finding it here, and there it is there, ready to go. Head on back to the laptop, and if I refresh the screen, my new file appears in the top left, and it's there for you to use. So it's as easy as that to move files from your phone or your iPad to Google Drive. Google Drive only allows you to move 10 files at a time, and videos obviously take a little bit longer to do, but it's a great way to move files on the go to be used later when you need them. And if you don't know, now you know.